Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Online Learning. In this video, I'm going to say you C sounds. You all know that C makes K sound, which is phonic sound. Now C also makes other sound, which is S sound. When C makes K sound and when C makes S sound. That I will teach you in this video. So we have two sounds. One is soft sound and one is hard sound. Okay. Now C sounds like S. It is soft sound. When C sounds like K, it is hard sound. So when the C sounds soft, there is a simple rule. When you see I, E, Y after C, then C makes soft sound, which is S. For example, here we see C and after C we see a letter E. So here C makes sound. L, cell, L, cell. Here we have I and before I we see letter C. So we have I here. So when we see I, E, Y, it makes soft sound. Itty, city, E-T, city. Now when does C makes hard sound? When we see A, O, U. After C, it makes hard sound. For example, cat, K, A, T. Here, C is making hard sound because we have letter A. Caught, K or T, caught. So the simple rule is when you see I, E, Y after letter C, you need to sound as S. When we see A, O, U after letter C, we need to sound it as K. And there is one more example where we see both soft sound and hard sound. Look at this. We have two C's here. We have two C's. Here, cycle, cycle, cycle. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, Online Learning. Thank you.